I rise to support the statutory resolution moved by the Honorable Minister of Home Affairs. Stop. It is not quarrel between Taliar Khan and Narsingh Bhandari. Stop. There is no point in criticizing them here. Stop. Those are non-issue. What is important is that a situation prevails at the moment following the tension that has been building up for quite some time in this strategically located Himalayan state. Stop. In such a situation, it is inopportune to hold elections. Just 3 days ago, we have passed the 53rd Constitution Amendment Bill to reserve seats in the legislature and the House of the People for as many as 4 states in the northeastern region. Stop. What was the reason? Because we wanted to give the indigenous tribal people avenues and opportunities to meet their aspirations and to preserve their ethnic character and cultural identity. Stop. Since 1960, we have been creating separate states with the same objective so that these indigenous tribal people can look after their own interests and they can shape their own destiny according to their own light and genius as envisaged by the planners of the Constitution. Stop. This objective was defeated because of massive influx of non-tribal people from different states, reducing the indigenous people to minority stock. This defeats the very purpose and objective of creating separate states. Stop. Now that problem has arisen in Sikkim also. Stop. The same sentiment agitates the Sikkimese people. They are threatened by a steady influx of non-Sikkimese people. Stopera. If you look at the census figure, Sikkim's population rose during the last years mainly due to influx from 2.0 lakhs in 1971 to 3.16 lakhs in 1981, showing a record increase or 1 lakh in a decade. Stop. Sikkim had approximately 60,000 people in 1901. Stop. The figure rose steadily to about 1 lakh in 1931 and reached only 1.60 lakhs after 30 years in 1961. Stop. Thus, it is evident that influx has increased phenomenally after the merger in 1974 and the increase was about a lakh in 3 decades up to 1961 as against a lakh in 1 decade alone in 1981. Stop. At the time of merger, the tripartite agreement of 1973 and the Government of India Act of 1971, which led to the kingdom's integration with India, ensured fair representation in the assembly so that no single section of the population acquires a dominating position due mainly to its ethnic origin. Stop. The 36th Constitutional Amendment of 1975, which made Sikkim the 22nd state of the Indian Council, laid down special provisions protecting the rights and interests of different sections of population by inserting Article 371F in the Constitution. Stop.